Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to renew your driver license online in California. First, you want to visit this website, www.dmv.ca.gov. Then it will redirect you to this page. Now you want to go and click on driver's licenses and IDs. Tap on it. Then you want to click on renew driver license or ID. So I'm going to click on it again. And now here you can see this page. In order to renew your driver license, click on this option right here. And now you need to read these sentences before you proceed. So before you begin, be prepared to log in into your DMV online account. If you do not already have one, you will be asked to create. And if you are over 70, visit this link right here and follow along to get started. And you should know that you will pay a renewal fee in the amount shown on your renewal notice. And all credit card and debit card transactions include an additional payment processing fee. If paying directly from your bank, there is no additional fees, so keep that in mind. Finally, you should update your voter registration information if needed. If no changes, please proceed through to complete your transaction. Now, an important note before you start, make sure you are within 90 days of expiration and your address is up to date. So if you need to change your address, click on this link right here. After you do so, you should wait for at least 3 days before you begin your renewal application. So now here, as you can see, let's assume that I have done all these things at once. And now I'm going to click on renew driver license or renew DL. This is the abbreviation for driver license. Then here, as you can see, you will have to enter your email and password and proceed to continue all the information they need from you in order to renew your California driver's license online. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please consider like and subscribe and share this video to your friend who wants to renew his driver's license. Thank you for watching and goodbye.